Welcome to the VSPAGY Editor feature tutorial, where we'll guide you on harnessing the power of interactive components. Interactivity is what adds dynamism to our videos, allowing you to gather inputs, navigate through the video, and even redirect viewers to your own website. Our first magical tool is the hotspot, and what makes it special is its transparency. Place this layer anywhere in the video to make that specific part clickable. Set the timings and the required action on the click. Similar to buttons on websites or applications, our button functions in the same way. Drag the button onto the canvas, configure, and design the button component to your liking, and then set the necessary action for your storyline. Now it's your turn to explore the capabilities of the VSPAGY editor. Thank you for watching.